How to change your Instagram notification sound. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guide, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can actually go ahead and then change the notification sound for Instagram. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just keep in mind that this process is only available for Android users. So if you're on iPhone, it is highly likely and probable that you will not be able to do this procedure which I'm about to show you, because changing the in-app notification sound feature is only available for Android users. Now for now, what you have to do is just go ahead and launch the settings application. Once you launch your settings app on your Android phone, just go ahead and look for the option called notifications. Once you go to notifications, you'll also be able to see a list of applications over here, and here you just want to go ahead and then search for Instagram. So in my case, you can see the Instagram app. I'll just tap on it. Now you can see that we have turned on notifications, but the sound which we get is actually a default notification sound. So if you want to change that, we just want to go into notification categories, and here you can see all type of notifications such as direct or Instagram and so on. For example, if you want to change the Instagram notification sound for Instagram direct messages, then just select the Instagram direct over here and you'll see other settings, and you'll find the option called sound. So just tap on the sound and select any other sound that you would like to add to your notification sound for Instagram. Similarly, if you want to change it for others, then you can just come back. You could select first post and stories and so on. Then you could go into the sound button over here. Currently it is set to silent, but again, you can just go ahead and select any of the sounds that you wish is actually reliable for you. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then change the notification sounds for a specific or the Instagram application on your phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.